Okay, I want to talk today since the market's changed for some realtors. I just want to have a quick conversation about why most realtors don't succeed. A couple notes I wrote down. My brother Arthur, the most successful realtor right now in this office, without a doubt. All right, 85 to 90% of all agents fail in the first 5 years.
Wow, that's crazy.
Number one, I'll give you 3 reasons, and then there's going to be 3 bonus reasons, okay? So, the number one reason why most realtors fail, they don't work hard enough. I think people get into this business and they just think it's going to be so easy. It's just going to fall on your lap just because you showed up to this business and now you should just get paid and everybody should pay you. Number one reason is they don't work hard enough, right? They don't do the necessary things. Like in this business doesn't just come to you. You have to call, you have to door knock, you have to do open houses. You have to do a bunch of uncomfortable things like asking people, do you want to buy and sell real estate?
It's hard.
And it's always this awkward, right? So you have to build your value and help people and work harder.